Landboards presents DIY Under-Counter Lighting, Part 1. My kitchen is really dark. In the morning this leads me to spill my coffee. Yeah, I know, first world problems, huh? Anyway, when wandering around eBay one day, I found these 1-watt LEDs. They say cold white. 50 LEDs for $2.50. Wondered if they'd make a good spotlight under my counter just to hit a couple of different locations. Not a lot of power and just enough light to help me not spill my coffee anymore. Here's the seller's description. This particular one says cool white, but 50 LEDs for $2.50 with a aluminum alloy base sounds like a pretty good way to go, and 1 watt seems like should be plenty of power for an LED. Might just do the job. Well, they came. The LEDs came in this little bag, and kind of promptly, I guess a few weeks from China. Not too bad looking. They're pretty light. Well, looks like a little white base there. Let's take a look and see how they perform on the power supply. Turning up the voltage on a single LED from nothing up to, let's see where they go. At about 2.3 now, going up. It starts to light up there around 2.3, 2.4. Let's shut off the overhead light, might be a little bit easier to see. 2.4, it's lit up. It gets pretty bright around 2.7, 2.8. Looks like about 50 milliamps there. Wonder how high we can take this part. There's 100 milliamps and 3 volts. That should be about 300 milliwatts, and they were pretty bright. Looks pretty good. Well, let's see how 3 of them in series perform, or 4 of them in series. It should be about 12 volts or so, 10 volts. Yep, turning on around 10 volts. And they're going up plenty fine. Pretty bright, hard to tell with the camera exactly what's going on there, but it's around 11, 12 volts and 30, 40, 50 milliamps in that range. Looks like these would do the job. I shut the lights off in the room and it was definitely bright. I think that'll definitely do the job. I wonder how warm they get at a little bit of power there. 80 milliamps and 3 volts across each one. That's a little warm. Didn't burn my finger, but I bet if it sat there for a while it'll get pretty warm. Part 2, we'll take a look at what it takes to drive these. For more information, check out our wiki page. We also have a YouTube channel where you can learn how to use these products, and we sell our products on Tindy. Thanks for watching our video.